In addition to extenders and matrix switches, you can add other equipment and accessories to your project. For instance, cables or keypads. Just go to Equipment and Single Orders. You can either use the quick search, or if you know the article number, you can just type it in. Click Enter for each single article. Add more of them by additionally pressing the Enter key. Your project will be saved automatically in the browser's cache. For security reasons, we recommend to export configurations. The exported file includes all images for your project planning. To continue your work on a project, just press the Import button. Choose the zip file. And now you can continue with your configuration.